Oneness is a life force. It is not some kind of static energy. It is not an idea. It is not a concept. It is a living, dynamic force. It is in a way part of the energy that holds life together. Life is oneness. Life is an expression of oneness. And if that primal energy of oneness were not present within life, life would fall apart. Life would become even more scattered than we experience it ourselves. So it is important to recognize from the very beginning that oneness is a life energy. It is part of life. It is not some abstract, spiritual, or mystical idea. It is intrinsic to life. It is what binds the atoms together, what helps them to move, what creates all the multiplicity of life. In fact, one of the strange mystical realizations is that all the variety of life, all the individuality, whether all of the individuality of you sitting here or outside with the trees and the flowers and the grasses and the cars, is actually a direct expression of oneness. It is like the other side of the coin of oneness. Multiplicity is an expression of oneness. So diversity, individuality, uniqueness, all this extraordinary way life manifests itself, life creates itself, is oneness. It is just oneness seen or experienced from the opposite side of the spectrum. In the same way as that all the colors of the rainbow are that one pure white light. Just depends where you look at it from. So everything you do, everything you express, everything that you are part of is oneness. It is this life force manifesting, enjoying itself, experiencing itself, realizing itself. Every little unique expression of life is the oneness coming to know itself in a slightly different way. That's why the Sufis said, I was a hidden treasure and I longed to be known, so I created the world. But if you can realize that you are an experience of oneness, you are a unique expression of the divine oneness, of this primal life force that is dancing itself through you, in your breath, in your awareness, in what it means to be you. You don't have to realize anything. You are oneness realizing itself. And the moment you step into that spectrum of oneness, then something opens up. It is like realizing where you belong. For some reason in our culture we have to spend a lot of effort trying to find our place, trying to discover who we are. We're probably unique as a culture in that sense. I don't think in other cultures they've had this pressure to discover who you are or to discover your life's purpose or your life's journey. It was kind of understood. You were an integral part of the culture, the society in which you were. But this need also to discover who you are is a need of oneness to realize itself, to realize its unique nature, to realize how it is part of something. So if at the beginning of this afternoon, if you can be present in your own oneness,